forgot to film an intro, so this will be my intro. But hey guys, how are you? What's the like, how you doing? I just finished my 6-day cleanse, and as you can see, like compared to the beginning of this vlog, like I have so much energy right now. I was so like no energy, like down, like all this type of thing, but now I'm like energized, ready to go. Like I could hop a fence, I could hop on never mind. Like looking back at it, I'm just laughing at myself. I'm like, girl, like you need to lose weight. Everything's about to open back up, so I'm happy that it is, because I did this juice cleanse so I can feel at least semi like okay to like go back to working out, you know what I mean. So I did lose 10 pounds, but I know that most of it is water weight, but that's okay baby, because now I'm gonna start working out. I'm gonna get back on track and we're gonna start burning fat and building muscle. That is what I want to do. But honestly, like my biggest motivation is literally myself. I like the size I am right now. I just want to tone up these thighs. I just want to tone up my arms. Y'all see this? About to take flight. I hope some of you guys can take this and use it as a motivation to, you know, if you want to do like a juice cleanse or something like that, I hope you can start it as well too. So now let's actually get on to the vlog. Okay, so I just woke up. I look hot, man. I'm gonna go and stock up on my fruits and veggies, because by the title, I am doing a juice cleanse. I'm going to challenge myself and see if I can do this juice cleanse for 5 days. Just to measure myself. Okay. No. It stayed the same. 32 and a half. We'll say that. 32 and a half. Oh God. This is nowhere to be matched. 46 for my hips. Okay, we're gonna do one of my thighs. One of my thighs is 26. It's okay. It's okay. This is not bad, but I know for a fact I'm gonna have to take a shit. I'm gonna have to. Oh well. It's day 4. Y'all, my rolls on the side, it's disappearing. It's disappearing. Like, where is it going right now? You have to pee a lot. You have to shit a lot. This was like all my quarantine weight, baby girl. Okay. This is how I came into this quarantine. Looking like this. Y'all get your shirts. This is from my friend Stan, okay? You already know. Ghost era, okay? You can see my room's a mess, but this is my quarantine shopping outfit. So I'm gonna go to my local shopping, get some groceries because I'm running out anyways. But y'all, socks and sandals where? Socks, sandals, whatever. And I'm wearing Nike and Adidas. Who gonna stop me? Who? It ain't you. It ain't you. It's the world, but look these gluten pretzels. Is it just me, or like I never knew these existed? I'm so done. Day 5, and all I want is some food. Anything hot. You know what I mean? Like I crave hot food right now. Like my brother's out here making burgers. My mom's out here making fried chicken with plantain. Just my orders came in. Oh my God. I have one more. They're too big. I'm just gonna send them back, get my money back, whatever. Move on to the next. So I just came back from the store. Y'all want to see my outfit? That's it. It is so hot outside. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's my friend's birthday on Monday. Jessica, y'all know this. Love you, beach. I got a couple things for her. I like a little DIY thing to put together that I'm gonna put together now. I don't want to show you guys because one, I might post this before Monday, and two, if she does watch it, I don't want her to see it just yet. You know, I kind of want to surprise her with a like, hey, how are you? But I'm gonna show up at her house with some balloons and just drop it off for her because, you know, we're still in quarantine or whatever. She truly deserves it. Like, she's been through so much this year. Like, honestly, I just wanted to make something, you know, just a little special for her. Just give her like a gift card from Sephora, like that has like probably no meaning to it. Actually it does, you know, you can get a whole bunch of stuff with that. I was trying to switch it up, so I decided to do something a little Ray taste. With that being said, I'm going to put some posters on in my room. Honestly, I'm in the process of decorating my room, like revamping it. I have a theme that I'm going for, so I'm gonna do that. But right now I don't have everything I need for that theme. I'm just like trying to stop shopping online because I've been shopping online so much, so that's why I don't have a theme right now. But my room is a hot mess. Like, literally I have orders that I need to return. I have a whole bunch of stuff, so I'm just gonna do that. Y'all gonna watch me. Picture frames are so cheap. Just look at it. Oh my gosh. Well, I did get it for $4. Hey y'all. Okay, so it is the last day of my cleanse and your girl lost 10 pounds. Okay, I'm just so happy because I was literally this close to giving up, just because, you know, when you live in a Haitian household, it's mouth-watering. But so yeah, so I'm just ready to start back up on my working out and exercising. I know everything's about to open, so I'm happy I lost 10 pounds. The 10 pounds I gained, but most of it is water weight. I know that for a fact. But I feel like amazing right now. Like, I feel like I can like hop over a fence. Okay, right now I feel good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like, yeah, I'll see you on my next video because this is not the last one. You must have thought. You must have thought. But let me tell you something. This is not the last one. Okay, babe? So yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.